Hi, it's me, Patricia. Today we're doing makeup tutorial things. Here, let's start first with the makeup. So, here's what you want to do. Sorry about that. You want to put on the lipstick. Open it up first. Then you put on the lipstick. You put it on. And then you seal it back up. Okay, now we gotta put it back in there. Now once you've done that, you just sit the bag up and you throw it and you look at other stuff. Okay, never mind. Get the Patricia bag. There you go. Okay, here.
Hey, Patricia.
Good.
I have AirPods.
I'm making a video.
I have AirPods.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Dinner at 5.
I'll be back. Okay. I'm going to show you all what I look like at the end. So now that we have this, we are going to unzip it and get some of this. Well, it's not coming. Okay. Okay, my makeup's a little bad, but it's okay. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, get out of my way here. Okay, we got this. Okay, let's use this. So first you want to do is put it on. What?
I have a kitty.
Get him out of here. I'm
No.
making a video.
Fine.
Mom, I'm making a video.
Bye. See ya.
Okay, sorry about that, guys. That's my dumb mom and my dumb cat. Anyways, okay. Now let's see what else we got in here. We got this weird looking stuff. Okay, let's open it. Okay, I'm gonna pause it until I open it. Okay, I can't get it, so let's just screw that. And let's just use these AirPods that are empty. Okay. We also got some lip gloss. Okay. Anyways, bye guys. That was our tutorial with Patricia. Bye.